the Mehserle trial. The manslaughter verdict returned against former Bay Area Rapid Transit cop Johannes Mehserle for the videotaped murder of Oscar Grant sent hundreds of protesters back into the hot streets of Oakland, California, Grant's hometown. The corporate media scratched its collective head, asking essentially, why protest when the guy was convicted? The protesters knew, however, that the court system bent heaven and earth to return the lightest verdict possible, involuntary manslaughter, and that Mehserle faces a possible sentence of probation to a max of 4 years in prison. They knew that Mehserle got a non-black jury hundreds of miles from Oakland. They knew that each of these hundreds could have been Oscar Grant, unarmed, shot to death on tape, and the same thing would have happened. Of course, the corporate media doesn't get it. Consider this. If Oscar Grant were the aggressor and charged with killing Mehserle, would he have been able to leave the state? Would he have been able to transfer his trial hundreds of miles away? Would he have been able to select an all-black jury, or one from which all whites were purged? Would he have been convicted of involuntary manslaughter in the face of videotaped evidence? Everyone who considers these questions knows the answers. What does that say about the system? What does this say about the courts? What does this say about our supposedly colorblind present? It says quite loudly that there's one law for some and another law for others. It says that life in dark flesh is not equal to life in white flesh, and those hundreds in Oakland streets knew it in their blood. From death row, this is Mumia Abu Jamal. These commentaries are recorded by Noel Hanrahan of Prison Radio.